Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren has called for collective participation in building a strong and modern India. Chief Minister N. Biren said this on the sidelines of launching a bike rally from Hapta Kangjebung in Imphal East District's Palace compound, which was organized as a part of the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign. Speaking further, Chief Minister N. Biren also appealed people to participate in the bike rally and also in the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign with the aim to inculcate a feeling of patriotism, unity and resilience. Special Chief Secretary of Manipur DGP, top officials of Central Forces and government officials attended the launching of bike rally.
Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji के मखादा हर घर तिरंगा युमथोंग खुदिंगी मचुओंगे फिराज पहन के तो निहाय बीमार ये तो वखलों भारत की यूनिटी स्ट्रेंथ अमत तो निहाय बगी अकन भारत नमस्यम न होना पा यूनिटी लेकर भारत नमस्यम न होना पा तो कुंबा यामना top वखलों न वखलों ना Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji ना मागी वखलों के मखादा निंगा सी बांखल के मैम से तो नाई ऐसे पुनमक बाइकर पुनमक सोइंगाम तो ना सत्वी रेरगा अनोगो भारत में अपांगल लेबा शक्ति लेबा यूनिटी लेबा दुंबा भारत में सेंबदा एकोई सोचोगो थंगांग यासी लोइनना अकनबा यूनाइटेड मणिपुर मगी दम तो सुइकोई सरुग्यामिना से.
Later, Chief Minister N. Biren also launched the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign at his home in Luang Sangbam, where he, along with his supporters and local leaders, hoisted the tricolour flag of India. Chief Minister urged people in his assembly constituency to proudly display the tricolour flag at their homes.